Welcome to Chiropractical Solutions and Massage. If you have any questions for us at any time, you can always email us at drweiss at drweiss.com, as you can see right through here. Or for more information, go to our website at www.drweiss.com. Today we're going to talk about frequently asked questions. Okay, I'm Dr. Weiss, and we get a lot of questions in the office, and we figured we'd do a couple video series about different questions that are most commonly asked. Frequently asked question number 4. How long does it take for chiropractic care to work? Well, this is one of the biggest questions we get. Obviously, people start off in a lot of pain, neck pain, mid-back pain, low back pain, and people get great results with chiropractic care. So, you see them jumping, leaping. They don't have that same neck pain, back pain anymore. So the question is, how long does it take to get from here all the way to here? So we're going to explore that. Well, people want to hear basically the answer, when asked, how long does it take for chiropractic care to work? Well, people want to hear it instantly. But, there's a reality. The reality are there's many factors, and, how people heal, how long they've had the problem, and everyone's going to be different. Everyone heals differently. So I don't want to burst everyone's bubble, because sometimes the treatments do work very quickly, but it's not always the case, and everyone's going to be different because the problem and the pain usually builds up over a period of days, weeks, months, and even years. I mean, you go back and you think of when that little bit of stiffness started. That was the onset of the pain. So once you experience the pain and you perceive the pain, that means it's pretty far gone because it's been creeping up over time. Same thing with heart disease. And that's the comparison I draw is, the first sign of heart disease is sometimes for people a heart attack, and when they go in and check the arteries, sometimes they're up to 90% clogged up. 80% clogged up, they had no pain. 70% clogged up, no pain, but obviously it built up over a long period of time. So that's same thing we're looking at with the back and the neck. So again, some factors to pay attention to kind of think about to answer the question, how long does it take for chiropractic care to work? One is, how long have you had the problem? Right? Have you had it? Do you remember, getting in a car accident years ago and having some stiffness and then never getting taken care of? Do you remember when you were younger falling off your bike and then, having that trauma, or being in the athletic event? Okay? The next thing is, are you sitting, sleeping, or standing in poor posture on a daily basis? Like you could see here, this person's kind of slouched forward. We could all relate to this. They're leaning forward, slouched at the computer, staring at the computer all day. They're not in good postural position. Their neck is out of alignment, their back is out of alignment. It's going to cause a lot of problems and pain early on, and this person's probably doing that for, 6, 7, 10 hours a day or more. The next thing you want to think about is, are you keeping your chiropractic and massage appointments? Or are you even making chiropractic and massage appointments? Just like you go to the dentist throughout your life to curtail those cavities that are building up, the same thing happens when you go in for chiropractic and massage. The chiropractic is going to help get those joints moving better and better alignment. Massage helps get those tight muscles in a more relaxed position so it's not pulling on the body. So consider that as well. Are you getting the proper amount of rest, exercise, and nutrition? Because the reality is, if you're not, then those are the healing properties that are allowing you to function better and to allow your body the capabilities to heal up properly. So, or are you eating onion rings, fried foods, French fries, hamburgers? Those are the factors you want to consider on how long is it going to take for chiropractic before it works for you. Now again, even with all these factors, surprisingly, people still get better and get great results. like I was saying, within a short period of time, many patients sense enough progress to justify completing our recommendations. Right? Since chiropractic care depends on the healing abilities of each patient, results are hard to predict for each individual. The treatment does help, though, with retraining of the joints and muscles, so it's very similar to if someone's trying to get in shape and work out. It's going to take more than one workout for someone to get in better shape. If you expect to go to the gym once and be in shape and ready to run a marathon, the reality is it's not going to happen. So the same thing is with chiropractic and massage treatments. So once you start getting the care, once you get the treatment, it will help. Like one workout will help you and get you in better shape, just like a treatment will get you in better shape and help decrease the pain. But everyone's going to be different of how quickly that takes effect. Like I said, every patient's going to respond differently. Some detect changes in a few short days or weeks. Others, it may take weeks to months before showing a lot of progress. But the patients at our office, we get great results. Again, it depends if the person qualifies for the treatment. We do, again, the important thing is to get your body examined, get the consultation examination to see what needs to be done and how long it, for your particular case, how it's going to work. Well, now we've had great results with many patients. Our success stories, they're all on the web, drweiss.com/testimonials through here. And we incorporate an approach, and one thing you want to look at, how long it takes for chiropractic care to work shortens if you get 3 things for your body, which is getting the joints moving better and better alignment with chiropractic, getting those tight muscles relaxed with massage, and getting those core weaker muscles strengthened. Exercise, we give people different core exercises to do at home and at work. Or a lot of people like doing yoga and Pilates and that kind of thing. Each one of those individually helps, but all of them together really will make the longest lasting difference for someone. And a couple of the testimonials that have come in, here's our actual web page with the testimonials. And again, like you could page through these, there's a lot on here of people who wrote us and who had great success with what we did for them. So just here's one particular case. I know that I've thanked you in person for all that you've helped me with improving my health, but I felt though I needed to express enough of my I did not express enough of my gratitude and wanted to take the time to do that. The accident I had with my ribs put a huge strain on my back, which was already in bad shape from my scoliosis and reverse curve in my neck. After spending almost a year going to tons of doctors, excessive physical therapy, and not getting any better, I was really beginning to lose hope that I was never going to be able to get my back into a condition where I can maintain it and not be in pain. I'm so thankful that right when I was ready to really give up and start taking painkillers, I was able to find you. You immediately gave me hope with your positive attitude, and I really felt at ease with how thorough and concerned you were right from the beginning. It was very difficult for me to be going through all of this alone, given that I'm at school halfway across the country from my family, and I want you to know how appreciative I am that I know that you sincerely care about how I am doing. The way that you have helped me is exactly why I hope to someday be a chiropractor myself. I also want to thank you for unexpected relief that I have been getting with my acid reflux. I have not taken my medication for a month now, and I had really anticipated that I was going to have to be on my medicine for the rest of my life. I'm only 21 and I was on a really high dosage of medicine to keep me from having to get surgery, and it's extremely exciting that I may not have to go down that road. Once again, thank you for all that you've done for me. You'll always be in my prayers. So again, that's one success story, and someone wrote us after receiving the treatment. So we hope you're our next success story. Feel free to email us at any time, Dr. Weiss at drweiss.com, and I hope that answers some of your questions of how long is this going to take, which it completely depends on you, your situation, but those are some of the factors that you can look at. Thank you. Please forward this email to others. Our goal is to help spread the word of health, and send this to your family, friends, and tell them to go to drweiss.com and sign up for our free health newsletter so they can get some great health information as well. Thank you very much. We hope you have a happy and very healthy day.